Hello everyone, my name is Chang, and now I will introduce something about myself. I'm 19 years old and come from Nam Định province. My family has 6 people, grandparents, parents, a younger sister and me. Of course, it is a happy family and I love all of them. Now I am a second year student at Academy of Finance. My major is tax and custom. My favorite food are potato and sugar pie cake. And what is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is badminton because it helps me taller, stronger, and active. My character is quite friendly and sociable, so I have many friends. Sometimes I and my friend meet together to talk about our life, working and studying. Finally, I take part in this course because I want to improve my English communication. Besides, I want to more confident, more active, and I want to make friends with many people. Mm. I hope that after this course, uh, everyone in my class will study English very well. Thank you for watching my video.